Shenzhen Superfire Prosperity EQU Company Limited is a high-tech R&D company located in Shenzhen, China. Near Hong Kong, we enjoy convent water, land, and air transportation. Our main products are LED flashlights and headlamps and bicycle lights, work lights, camping lights, UV flashlights, fishing lights, floodlights, jade flashlights, waterproof flashlights, diving flashlights, and other professional lights. The annual produced quantity of our associated factories can reach above 5 million. Our flashlight has waterproof, explosion-proof, high performance, and other advantages. Our products are loved by the majority of factories and enterprises, outdoor sports, special types, and household consumers. Superfire is well known for the reasonable price and thoughtful service in the market. We have more than 7 products catalog in outdoor lighting, and we meet OEM ODM service. We keep developing high-quality products to meet our customers' requirement. Superfire over the years has always adhered to quality of products in order to survive, credibility and development services, business purposes. Have a professional dedicated design management team, from product design, mold making, molding to the product assembly. For each aspect and process are rigorously testing and control. If you are interested in our product or would like to discuss the OEM and ODM orders, please feel free to contact us. Trust will be your reliable flashlight supplier. We are looking forward to a further cooperation with you in the near future.